Hey guys, it's Gary. I have a fun announcement to make. Coming up on October 13th, we have our next Thriving Dentist Masterclass. A Masterclass is a 3-hour virtual course that allows me to go into detail on a particular topic. And the title of this Masterclass on October 13th is 6 Steps to Successfully Resign from PPO Plans. And in that masterclass, I will cover those 6 steps in detail. Those six steps will literally become your blueprint to successfully resign from PPO plans. If you're interested in that, or you're thinking about it, or it just intrigues you, I would encourage you to attend that masterclass. Very inexpensive. It's 3 hours of CE, less than $100 tuition. It's virtual. It's done in a live stream format. What that means is you attend it virtually from the convenience and comfort of your home or office. However, it's done live. It's not recorded. It's done live. I'm live, and you can ask me questions, and we have some exercises we do during the masterclass so that you can apply the information that we're teaching. And I'd strongly encourage you to attend. I think that live stream format maybe presents the best of both worlds. You can take CE from the comfort and convenience of your home without the expense and hassle of travel, especially hassle these days. And yet it's done live, so you can interact with me. Strongly encourage you to attend. If you'd like to register, go to thrivingdentist.com/masterclass. By the way, we do limit attendance because I run it more like a workshop than a lecture. We do limit attendance, and every one of our master classes is sold out. And that's the last time during 2022 that we'll be doing that particular masterclass, 6 Steps to Successfully Drop PPO Plans. Look forward to seeing you there.